case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1998, the Tennessee Court of Appeals was faced with a unique case, Tipler vs. Van Mooreghem, which tested the validity of a holographic codicil that referred to another non-existent document for the distribution of assets. The case revolved around a holographic codicil written by Mrs. Gladys S. Tipler, which instructed that her property be distributed according to her husband's will if he predeceased her. However, at the time her husband passed away, he left a will that bequeathed his property to his relatives. Beneficiaries under the husband's will sought enforcement of Mrs. Tipler's codicil, but her heirs challenged it in court. The lower court ultimately ordered the distribution of Mrs. Tipler's assets in accordance with her deceased husband's will. Despite the appellants arguing that the codicil was invalid due to ambiguous language and an attempt to incorporate a non-existent document, the court determined that the holographic codicil contained all material provisions in the testatrix's handwriting, and therefore was valid. The court's decision affirmed the trial court's ruling and held the appellants responsible for the costs of the appeal. This case established the legal precedent that a holographic codicil can refer to a non-existent document for the distribution of assets as long as it meets the necessary provisions and is in the testator's handwriting.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.